guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you with me on my hairdresser salon to see my hair transformation. I decided to bleach my hair again and to transform my hair. I want to achieve now the blonde cool tone, ashy tone, just to make easier to maintain my gray hair. So if you want to see my transformation, or if you already have gray hair and you struggle like I do, please continue to watch my video, and I will show you my transformation. So first of all, I want to tell you my hair history. I have fine hair with some sensitive scalp. I didn't put bleach on my scalp never, because I tried in the past, and I began to have a serious bad reaction on my scalp, some itchiness and some red zone. So after I decided not to put bleach on my scalp ever. So I have 3 sessions of bleaching in the last 2 years. Last session was in April, I guess, this year, with oligo, when I achieved my ashy tone blonde, but I ruined my color with a Davines shampoo that has an orange pigment. I will insert the video in the commentary section just to see what shampoo ruined my ashy cool blonde tone. So in summer I decided to go back on my brunette color. I have brunette, dark brunette, natural color, but in the last period I have a lot of gray hair. So at 1 month and a half, I have to just color my roots, and it isn't easier, and I just want a color that it is easier to maintain. So this is why I decided to make my hair blonde again. I guess it suits my skin tone, and it is easier to maintain. So I'm so excited for my transformation, and I want to take you with me. My hairdresser told me that will last maybe 4 or 5 hours, my whole transformation. My last one with that ashy blonde tone last 11 hours. So I hope we didn't stay so much, but I want to have healthy hair, and she wants to keep my hair healthier as much as it is possible. So in this area I just started to prepare my hair. In the last 2 or 3 weeks I put some hair oils on my mid-ends and on my scalp, just to improve my hair condition and to make my hair stronger, just to hope that didn't break in this part that has bleach in them. So beside of this, I just use my clarifying shampoo from Joico just to wash off my mounir color that I have in this part, because in September I color my hair with mounir in this brunette tone. And beside of this, this week I wash my hair with shampoo by Oligo with pH 9. My hairdresser told me that it's better to prepare the hair for the big transformation on Saturday. So I washed my hair yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday, and I will wash it again on Saturday in the day that I have my appointment, just to prepare my hair, and maybe we didn't spend so many hours at the salon, because it isn't such an relaxing process, just to stay on the chair for 5-6 hours. I don't know what will last. So this is my last video on brunette hair. I already filmed 2 videos that I will post this Friday and the next Friday, and I guess in 2 weeks, maybe 3, I will post my hair transformation in my blonde color. So I hope you will watch my video transformation, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys. So I just came from my hairdresser appointment, the second one, because in the first one we didn't have so much time just to tone enough in this part, and was a little bit yellow, but now she toned again. Beside of this, she was using some gloss on this part for my gray hair, and they succeed to transform a little bit, like you see. So now I'm so pleased with my hair, and I will keep my my blonde hair for the couple of months that will come. I don't think I will return to brunette, because I feel more confident, and it suits me very well, and with my gray hair it works amazing. So I'm so pleased with the result, and in a future video I will show you what product I use now that I have blonde edgy tone, because I don't want to ruin it, and I am testing new hair product, especially for blonde hair with cold tone. I'm back on Mounir, so this time she did a great job. I went to another hairdresser, my old hairdresser, and she succeeded to bleach my hair without damage. Today we just take a little bit of my ends, because it was necessary, but we didn't cut off much of my length. So I will let my hair grow, and I will try to keep it healthier, and in a future video I will show you what product I use right now to improve my hair condition and to take care of my blonde hair, because we all know that blonde hair requires a special treatment. So I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.